Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I used the Violet Voss Flamingo palette to create this look. This is what the palette looks like, and this is the look that I've come up with. I've done more looks on my Instagram using this palette, so I'll leave the link to my Instagram page and the pictures so you guys can have a look at all the looks that I've created using this palette. So yeah, today I came up with this look. Spring is about to approach us. I mean, we're in England, so we don't know when spring's gonna come. Even in April it might even snow. So yeah, we're coming on to February right now. This look you could also use for Valentine's Day as well. I am gonna do another Valentine's Day look, hopefully, fingers crossed, if I can come up with a look, that is. So if you guys like what you see, just stay tuned, and the look is about to follow. I've already prepared my face. I've primed with the YSL Blurring Primer and corrected with the Urban Decay Peach Corrector, and also concealed on top with the Urban Decay Naked Weightless Corrector. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define line. And I'm also going to conceal the bottom of my eye using the same concealer. Brows with the Primer Skinny Brow Pencil. I don't know if I've mentioned that already. I apply some setting powder at the bottom, so if there's any fallouts it would catch it. Today I'm doing a tutorial with the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. You guys might have seen this in one of my hauls, so I'm gonna do like a pinky look. I use the Zova 231 and go in with the color Watermelon, which is right here. Place that into the crease. And I'm just gonna pat it on at the moment and make sure that goes in pigmented. I haven't set the base. I'm gonna get the Makeup Revolution Conceal, the eye base and the cut crease thing. Don't know what it's called, but yeah, I want to get that. Now I'm going in with circular motions just to diffuse that and make sure there's not any harsh lines. So I'm now going to take the blank canvas E10 brush, go in with Coral, which is right here, put that in as a transition and diffuse all of that out. I'm going to use blank canvas E23 and I'm going to go in with Flamingo, and I'm going to place that right into the crease. So just right here, just to deepen it all out. I'm going to pick up Watermelon again, and I'm going to use the same brush because the other one's done nothing. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush. This is the Jessup Tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all of that together. I'm not going to cut the crease today, so that's why I need all of this to be as blended as possible so it looks a bit smoky. I'm taking the Mikasa E230 brush, so this is a shading brush, up the shade Bikini, and I'm going to place that on the lid. I'm going to take it all the way up to the crease so they're all blended together. This will look better with my finger. I'm going to pick up the Zova 231 again and go in with the shade Watermelon, and I'm going to place it at the outer corner and the inner corner just to deepen that up a bit more, because I'm not too happy with this look. I should have done it before I placed the purple, so you guys could do it before you place the purple. Just going in circular motions. Apply mascara, and for mascara I'm going to use their Real Mascara by Benefit, and I'm just going to do a light coat because I want to apply forces. And then to tight line I'm going to use Makeup Forever Aqua XL. I'm going to take off the bake. My under eyes, I'm going to go in first with Coral. I'm going to pick up blank canvas C23 and go in with watermelon, just like the same as what I've done up there, but I'm not using the lilac shade. I'm going to place a bit more onto the outer corner and in the crease. I'm going to pick up bikini, which is the lilac shade, and just add it to the center a little bit and on the inner corner a little bit more. So I'm now going to put on mascara on the bottom lash line and the tight line with the same pencil, and I'm going to apply lashes. These are F06 by Flutter lashes. So I'm going to apply those off camera and come back to you and finish the rest of the face. Start off with bronzing with Give Me Sun. So I'm now going to highlight the rest of my face. I forgot that I haven't highlighted. Use the same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define for that. I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and Laura Mercier powder and set all of that. So I'm going to pick up at the edge of that, and I'm going to go back in on the sides of my nose and under my cheekbones. So while that's setting, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to do my cheekbones and my nose. This one is a lot more cooler than the Give Me Sun. The Give Me Sun's great for bronzing, but this is able to contour and bronze. So I'm just going to contour right here and then my jaws. So the Give Me Sun and the Hoola together will create a graduated effect instead of just like harsh one tone contour. So Give Me Sun would warm up the face as well. I'm going to take it under my lips and see how that instantly makes your lips look bigger. So I recently got the JD Wady 180 Nose Perfector brush, so I'm going to use that for the nose today to make sure that you dust off the excess powder, because you don't want a harsh line going down your nose. So I'm going to start off here because this is where I need the most contouring. And the reason why I'm doing this while the powder's still on is because so I can later go in with a sponge and blend all of that out without making it too harsh. Go in with this sponge and blend all of that out. And I'm now going in with this brush right here to take off all the setting powder and blend everything in together. So there isn't any harsh line, but the contour is cleaned up. Take what's left on this brush, okay, and I'm just going to go into the Cupid's bow and then go back in here. For highlight, I'm going to go in with Peach Nectar Anastasia. For lips, I am going to go in with NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken. So for blush, I'm going in with Sense Satin Touch blush in Satin Coral. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the shade Seashell right here. And that, guys, is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to tag me on Instagram if you guys recreate this look right here. I'd like to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel as well for more future videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.